The hair I'm about to review is 13 by 4 lace frontal kinky coily wig and is 22 inches. Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. So today I'm reading this wig from Julia Hair. If you're new here, gorgeous, you're welcome. All I do here, I review wigs. You see what came with this wig is super. Those goodies you just saw now, they came with the wig. And now is the hair. Hey beauties, yes, it's transparent lace wig 13 by 4. This wig is top 1 13 by 4 natural color kinky coily wig, pre-pluck and super natural. The hair is super natural. Just look at the hairline, look at how they pre-pluck the hairline, and look at the coils. Just look at it, it's super beautiful.
But I hope you're happy. I hope you are happy. When I let go, you told me you would not succeed.
They bleach the knots, and that is the hair. You can see the hairline. They pluck it for you. It's done already, and you guys know, as a lazy girl that I am, when any hair come pluck, I am happy. It came with detachable adjustable strap and also inbuilt adjustable strap. You can see the back. There is a comb that you can stick to your head to attach the hairs firmly to your head in case even if you don't glue it down. And there's a lace at the back as well in case if you want to glue it down to pack your hair ponytail. That is the purpose of that lace. You can adjust it to wherever length you want. Just look at the inside of the lace. Oh, look at the hairline. The hairline you see already plucked for you.
You are happy. Now you're playing with the big boys. Finally get some big toys. Seeking all your girls want. Daddy's got it all.
And one thing, the hair is super matte. When you glue it down, they don't know that it's a wig. It looks like your natural hair. And the other hand, because it's 13 by 4 lace wig, you can put your part anywhere you want. If it's side you want, if it is center, if it is corner, if it is whatever part you want. Even if you want to do C part, sorry, you can do that. You see, I did a C part. Good, it's perfect. I just take hair mousse, then to take the flying hair backward. This hair did not shed, just little thing that came from it compared to her coily hair. Sorry, I don't know why I'm missing my words. Sorry guys. Compared to her coily hair shed.
It's your choice. I hope you're happy. I hope you are happy.
So I just use hair mousse to take the hair backward before cutting the excess lace. I really like the hairline, the way it is pre-plucked. It saved me the stress of doing that. You know, if you've been here, if you are an OG, you know that to pluck hair is very, very, very difficult for me. So when any wig comes pluck, I'm always happy. So I'm taking my hot comb just to flatten the front because I want it a little bit flat. Is it flat or flatter? Whichever way, guys. So after that, I will cut the excess lace from it. Be careful when you're doing this, okay? Just be careful so that you don't injure yourself. Some people do use razor. I use scissors. I prefer using scissors, okay? You can use what you are used to. Just look at the hairline. The hair is so soft. By the way, I'm going to leave all info about this hair on the description. Just check the description box in case if you are interested. So don't hesitate to check that out. So I'm just cutting the lace following the hairline. That's all I did. See, I will glue this down, but look at it. It has not been glued down yet, but just look at the front. Look at the front. It's just look natural already without it being glued down. You see that it's perfect, but I need to glue it down. Okay, so I'm using styling gel. You guys know I use styling gel to install my wigs. If you're new here, maybe you don't know, let me explain why I use styling gel. Because immediately I finish filming the video, I always remove my wig. So with styling gel, it's very easy for me. And what is styling gel can last you for 24 hours. Okay, if you still want to use glue, you can use, I just use hairspray just to support the gel. Okay, I just did this. I don't know why. Normally I don't do this. If I use gel, I just use only the gel, but I just use this spray on top the gel. Then I tied it down, allow it to dry. Okay, that is it. You guys know how we do this. You guys know how we do this. You are not new to it. Tying it down, I just apply hair mousse to the hair. I never want to add cream. I use the hair mousse, just rub it around little so that the hair will give me that volume that I want, because I don't want the hair too small. I want it big. I need volume. But you can add cream if you want. You can use whatever you want that pleases you. Okay, I just use the hair mousse, sorry. Oh, are we going to arrive today? Then trim the ones that are long, okay, just to shaping the wig. That is all I did. I really like this wig. Like I said, if you're interested, head to the description box and all details will be there. Even the direct link to this wig will be there, will be on the description box, so don't hesitate to check that out. I like this hair because 1 thing is soft, 2 is lightweight, 3 it melts well, 4 it looks like your natural hair. That is 1 thing I like, and it's easy to install. See, I added water at the end just to make it the coils a little bit poppy. Okay, they're already popping, so I just added the water to make it popping. And the more, guys, you guys should don't mind me today. I don't know what's wrong with me. Gorgeous, please, if you like it here before you go, why not subscribe? Hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. I use a bronzer on the pad. This is just to blend it with my skin. You can use whatever you have. You can use foundation. You can even bleach the knot if you like. Okay, whatever you want to do, you can do with it. Just buy this hair and play with it. Play with it, okay? Just play with it the way you like. All right, guys, that is it. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.